Alright guys, so I want to quickly show you guys how to scalp the boom and crash market like a pro without getting caught by spikes. Alright, as you can see right now, we're running a trade. This is a live trade running right now. Alright, and this is getting very close to our TP. Alright, so yeah, we've been making a lot of profit since morning. Alright, the theme right now is VIP winning, so everybody's happy, the VIPs are happy, we're making a lot of money. All right, I'm going to be dropping the link to this channel on the description of this video, so just make sure you join us so you can be a part of this. All right, I'm also dropping my WhatsApp link so you can reach out to me directly if you have any challenges. All right, as you can see we make a lot of profits every day. All right, but this is not why we are making this video today. This is not why I'm making this video today. I just want to show you guys how we do this. All right, I want to show you guys how we do this. It's very easy. You just have to follow the principles which I'm going to be sharing in this video, so make sure that you watch this video till the very end, guys. Make sure you watch till the end. Yes, I'll show you how it works for boom. I'll show you how it works for crash. All right guys, I'll show you everything that you need to know. All right, but first, do me a favor, subscribe to this channel if you have not done that already. All right, subscribe to this channel, drop good reviews if you have been using our strategies and they're working for you. Make sure that you drop good reviews so that this can reach every other person out there who might want to be making use of our strategies, guys. All right, so let's get deep into it. All right, so this I'm going to be sharing the indicators we are going to be using for this strategy. All right, and it's just relative strength index, moving average, and envelopes, guys. So what do you want to do? You want to add your relative strength index first so that it can create an indicator window 1 for you. All right, here we go. Okay, so for this strategy, guys, this is it. This is the setting for this strategy. All right, this is the setting for this strategy. Make sure that you copy this. You can screenshot it so that you take your time and set it up, right? All right, so you click done, and then you go back, you click that again. This time around, you notice that indicator window 1 has been added for you automatically. This information is for newbies who keep asking me how to add indicators. All right, so this time around you're going to be clicking your, hold on, let me show you, let me bring this out. All right, so you click the F sign here and you could add any other indicator that you want to add to the indicator window 1, right? So when you click that, the next indicator you want to be adding is the moving average. All right, for this strategy we are going to be using period 10, shift, leave it at 0, method exponential, apply to close. All right, styles, you can see I'm using 2 pixel, and okay, you can use any color of your choice, so I'll be choosing blue. Is that blue? Yeah, so I'll be choosing blue. All right, you don't need to add levels to this one, right? Remember, click done when you are through with these settings. All right, you simply click done. The levels for relative strength index is just 90 and 10, and sometimes I like to add 50. All right, just in case I want to take profit before just in case I feel like, okay, something is wrong and I'm not liking this right now. I'm not liking what the market is printing, so I want to go out before it hits my take profit. So I just take profit around the 50th level, right? So it's not important that you add that. All right, the 90 and the 10 level are the important levels, guys. All right, so you just click done. Okay, let me not add this so I don't confuse you. I don't confuse anyone. All right, so you're done with this. You just click, you just go back. All right, and you click done. All right, after that, the next thing you want to do is to add your, the next indicator I want to add is the envelopes, and you're still going to add it to, you're still going to click here to be able to add it. All right, you click that and you add your envelopes. You can see the envelopes. All right, the levels for the envelope, let's change this to 70. All right, 0 shift 0 deviation, let's change this to 0.9. all right, method should be simple. Okay, apply to close. All right, styles, you can see 2 pixel, 2 and 3 pixel. All right, so you can just use any color of your choice, use any color that you like, but make sure that they are visible on your screen. All right, again, for this one you don't need levels, so you don't need to add any level, right? So you just click done and we are good. All right, guys, so before we go in, all right, my trade is still going very well. The VIPs are still winning. All right, feel free to join us. All right, it's very free. Join our channel. We are going to be adding the link to our channel on the description of this video. All right, so yeah, I always emphasize on the need for you to always apply price action to your analysis, guys. Price action is key. Price action is what is going to tell you what the market is doing just by looking at your charts, guys. All right, so you're going to only be using these indicators to further confirm what, if what you're doing is good. All right, so you want to know where the market direction is at. All right, you want to know where the market direction is at, and then you want to be careful. You don't want to be caught by spikes because you're just going to be taking a couple of candlesticks out, right? So this is crash, this is crash, this is crash 500. And okay, for you to take a couple of candlesticks, you want to know your area of value, you want to know where to enter from. All right, you want to know where your entry is. It's very important that you know your entry. All right, so you want to enter where, you want to enter in an area of value, that is your resistance, your support. All right, so yeah, for you to be able to know your, to identify your support and your resistance, you need to know price action, guys. So it's very important you know that. All right, if you want to know more about price action, how to trade the market, the forex markets, you can hit me up. I'm going to be adding my WhatsApp link to this video so we can be able to coach you from there. Yeah, so all right, so you know the market direction, you know, you've been able to identify your support and resistance. All right, you just want to wait for the market to come to your support. All right, you want to wait for the market to come to your support. Remember, this is crash and you're trying to scalp. All right, so market is at your support and you're trying to buy. Okay, so if you go to a lower time frame, you notice that I bought this trade around here. I entered around here and I've picked a couple of candlesticks. This is 1, 2, 3. All right, there was a little spike here. I wasn't bothered because I know the market direction. All right, so crash is heading to the upside right now. The market direction is in the upside. That's why I'm scalping. If the market direction was to be, if the market direction were to be in a downtrend, all right, I'll be looking at catching spikes. All right, so right now the market direction is in an uptrend. The market is headed to the upside, and I don't want to, I cannot wait. All right, I cannot wait for the market to change direction and come to this way just for me to catch spikes. So I want to scalp and take a couple of candlesticks and leave the market. Right, so that's what I'm doing right now. So I took the trade here. All right, and we have been taking these candlesticks up. All right, so how do you know when to actually enter? All right, so the market is, price is at your level of support, right? Because you want to buy. Okay, price is at the support level, so you all right, you are looking to take a buy, all right. So you simply allow for this guy. You see, this is your RSI, this is your RSI, these are your indicators right here. Let me take it a bit down so you can see the screen clearly. All right, okay, so as you can see here, all right, so this is your moving average right here, all right, at your levels, your envelope levels. All right, so notice price came to this level, the 10th level, the bought level, the oversold level rather, and then I took a buy, right, because I noticed my moving average came to this level and then I took a buy. All right, that's why. Okay, I actually missed my entry from here. If I had entered around here when this blue line, the moving average, when it was just around this level, if I had entered, I would have been able to pick the trade from down here to the upside. All right, but I entered late. All right, I entered a bit late, but I knew it was still going to be going up, so I entered from here, from this level. That's why you see we picked it from here and we are scalping to the upside. All right, we are scalping to the upside. All right, that's another spike, but I don't really bother because I know it is going to the upside at the end of the day. So all right, so you simply wait for when this line comes to this level, right? When the blue line comes to the 10 level, right, the level 10 here, all right, you can, to be sure, you can go to your higher time frame and check if price at that level, at that point, is at your support level. All right, if that happens, that means you're on the right track. You simply buy and you catch a couple of candlesticks to the upside. All right, now this works exactly opposite for boom. All right, trying to get a couple of candlesticks from boom. You're not trying to get caught by this, by spikes and all of that. You just do exactly opposite of what I said here. All right, all right, let me check boom. All right, this is boom 1000. Boom 1000. You check a higher time frame and the market is in a downtrend. If you want to catch spikes, you're looking to see the market in an uptrend so you can buy. You'll be catching spikes. All right, now if the market is in a direction headed downwards and you can't wait for the market to come back to going upwards to uptrend so that you can catch spikes, you can simply scalp and take a couple of candlesticks and go out. Right, while the market is going down, you simply look for selling opportunities and then you catch a couple of candlesticks to the downside before it spikes. All right, so if you do it correctly, you won't be caught up with spikes. All right, but why I said you'll be doing exactly opposite, right, of what I said before, that was around here when you get to this level, when you get to where you want to confirm with your indicators, right? So you don't want to be buying at this level like you did on crash. Rather, you want to be selling at this level, right? As you can see right now, as you can see, price came to this level, right, to the 90th level. That's the oversold level, and then you start seeing a couple of candlesticks to the downside. All right, it brought all of these candlesticks to the downside. So imagine you had sold at this point, you're making a whole lot of profit, guys. You're making a whole lot of profit. So this is very, very easy. You just need to understand what you're doing and you'll be making profits, a lot of profits. All right, guys, so hit me up. I'll be dropping my WhatsApp link on the description of this video. I'll also be dropping our Telegram link so you can join us for free and be a part of what we are doing there. It's very, 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 very profitable, guys. All right, so I'll see you guys in another video.